Just 30 miles outside of Spokane is the beautiful and relaxing Klink's Williams Lake Resort. A perfect summertime destination for families, Klink's Resort is great for a weekend getaway or just a day trip for some fun in the sun. We're checking out their restaurant today and can see that Klink's has something for every taste bud.
I was really excited because when I looked at the menu, they had multiple vegan options.
I don't know what they use on the seasoning on these fries, but I need to find out because they're delicious.
But the most important thing about this place is the service and the atmosphere and the friendliness of everybody here, and of course, the view.
We're located on 10 acres here, have 11 cabins, obviously a beach, a swimming platform, boats to rent, little store. So yeah, it's just a quaint, small summer resort.
Dusty Klink grew up here with his family, and for 30 years, they've kept the resort like an oasis for visitors.
I feel like I'm in a different planet or something. It's just really beautiful here.
Klink's is surrounded by nature and farmlands, so they get some of the best fresh and local food around.
Tonight I had steamed clams and a salad. My husband had baby back ribs, and it was all excellent.
Representing local farms, small farms, is absolutely one of our higher priorities. You know, they're our customers, and we like to be theirs too.